Currently, we are approaching investors interested in taking our pre-production prototype to market. This will include testing and certification to relevant standards in the US and Canada. Heat transfer system for facilitating transfer of heat to air and water with one heat pump. Brief introduction. I have worked on my invention since 2017. The US provisional patent was registered in 2019, and the Patent Cooperation Treaty, PCT, was registered in 2021. Making of the prototype, testing, drawings, and results of that all were done. I and a Toronto factory were working for about 1 year, from 2020 to 2021. The bill of material, BOM, is almost ready. Its video clip for more understanding comes soon. As a mechanical HVAC engineer practicing for approximately 20 years and licensed under the Professional Engineering of Ontario, PENG, body, I have G2 license, gas license, and 313D, air condition and refrigeration. General information. This invention is a new thermodynamic cycle, which can provide HVAC, domestic hot water, and hydronic heating systems in one appliance, with a very smart control system. It is designed for all of the high-pressure refrigerant replacements of R410A, like R32, R454B, R466A, and etc. It is efficient, safe, environmentally friendly, smart, economical, user-friendly. Near appliances to this appliance that they don't have hydronic heating system as follows: a heat pump unit plus a water heater, a furnace plus AC plus a water heater. Advantages of this appliance. All-in-one HVAC integration. The package includes an all-in-one integrated heating, hydronic heating, domestic hot water, and cooling. It has a variable speed forced air heat pump, which has a new thermodynamic cycle, that it works for almost all types of climates, -45 to 45 Celsius. It has a variable speed forced air heat pump, which has a new thermodynamic cycle. The work temperature range of its heat pump for heating is -20 to 45 Celsius, with the ability to provide both air and water, domestic plus hydronic, heating up to 9 kilowatts, and for cooling is 0 to 45 Celsius with up to 2 tons cooling. 7.1 kilowatts equals 24,000 BTU. Smart control system with highest efficiency, especially when it connects to Wi-Fi. A. There are 5 different situations in this appliance. 1. Heating. 2. Heating plus domestic hot water plus hydronic heating system. 3. Domestic hot water plus hydronic hot water. 4. Cooling plus domestic hot water plus hydronic heating system. In the summer, when you are taking hot shower or warming up the pool water simultaneously, your hose is cooling down. One side is for free, plus you don't need to have a pool heater as well. 5. Cooling. B. A smart control system with highest efficiency. This thermodynamic cycle makes this appliance very smart, especially when it connects to Wi-Fi. 1. It knows the indoor temperature, outdoor temperature, price of electricity per hour, and the request of domestic hot water demands, so the appliance can determine when and with how much capacity it will run to optimum and satisfy all customer requests. 2. In addition, if it can connect to Wi-Fi, number 1, it has the hourly temperature day forecast, so it can use it in its calculations and optimum the on and off times plus the economic times recommend to the customer for using domestic hot water, taking shower. 2. Performance monitoring, updating, and modifying by AI, completely smart. 3. It is compatible with smart home, IoT, and BAS. Number 2. Future market. The world request for AC will jump to 3 times from 2020 to 2050. A. Appropriate for almost all of houses and condominiums, and some of the commercial buildings, plus growing condominium market. It is the best option for condominiums because 1. Its unit will be independent. 2. The monthly maintenance fee will be reduced. 3. All water risers for condominiums, domestic water is an exception, will be removed. 4. More interior space. Indoor units will be hung up from ceilings. 5. Longer life of air filters. The lifetimes of air filters will be increased because indoor units are installed much higher than floors. 6. This appliance will remove main mechanical rooms or reduce its size. B. Population rise. C. Earth temperature rise. D. Increasing quality of life. E. Increasing home office. F. Increasing demand of forced air units, more convenient and sanitary. G. Electricity versus natural gas. The electricity is very accessible and the best alternative for natural gas plus reduced carbon footprint. H. Air conditioners up to 2 tons cooling. It is the best seller size because 1. Shift to smaller households, 4 people or less. 2. Downsizing to smaller homes, 1,614 square feet, 150 square meters, or less. 3. Super isolation. Building energy codes continue to grow significantly in building efficiency. I. Environmental friendly. 1. Less noise. The noisy parts were insulated in outdoors units. 2. Low GWP, less than 750. 3. No H2CO3, no damage to the drain pipes. 4. No greenhouse gases. 5. Produce pure water, the water condensing. 3. Economic. This invention reduces initial and current costs by B. High efficiency, up to 70%. 1. Variable speed motors. 2. More reduced electrical usage by connecting to Wi-Fi. 3. Rapid return of investment, especially in homes that have small pools in warm climates. C. Remove gas meters. D. Remove gas pipes. E. Remove vent pipes. F. Remove thermostat. G. Remove thermostat wires. H. Remove mechanical room. More useful interior space. 1. The indoor unit is small, light, and installation in all directions. No vertical direction. Its indoor unit must hang up from ceilings. This appliance needs less indoor space, and it will remove water heaters from inside of homes. I. Less total cost. Appliance plus installation cost. Total costs of new appliances are more than it. J. No or less maintenance. The main section is in high level, so it keeps more clean and far from snow codes. 2 feet. The outside average temperatures are more than the average temperature of basements. The main unit will be installed outside and remove water heaters and all their dangers from homes. L. No or less service. This unit isn't as difficult and complicated as a furnace, and completely smart can diagnose almost all issues. M. Less drain pipe. Just 1. The main unit will be installed aside of the home or balcony, condominiums, so there is not any concern of water leaking. N. Reduced insurance cost. No natural gas leaking, no firing hazard, and no water tank leaking inside of homes make it very safe. 1. The indoor unit is very simple if troubleshooting comes up. Most of the time, technicians don't need to come on into houses. P. The installation is very easy, fast, cheap, and replaceable or adjustable with almost all old appliances in the market. Q. More average lifespan of indoor units is about 20 to 30 years, and for outdoor units is about 10 to 15 years. R. Thieves don't like to steal it. For the first installation, it has to be connected to the internet, and the installer registers himself and license number in the database. Then the serial number, model number, and location automatically transfer in the database. After that, the appliance can run.